How's it going, everybody? My name is Ron, and today we're at Old Key West, and I have a Deluxe Studio room, and I'd like to take a room tour of it real quick, so come join me. Alright, we're staying in 4610 at Building 46. Tap that good old magic band right there. And we come inside. We can see there's 2 beds with tons of space underneath for bags and storage. There's a balcony out there, we'll go in a second. Window to the front next to the door. We also have some outlets right here on the table due to the current COVID issues. Sanitized. You see we have a TV here. I think it's looking like a 26-inch with a DVD player underneath and storage for clothes. Let's hit that balcony now. This looks so good. Come outside. And you can see we got some nature and the water over there. It's very cool. 2 chairs and a table. Over here we have another table where my son will probably do his homework because he does start school soon. In here, because it is a deluxe studio, comes with utensils, microwave, coffee pot, and a decent size mini fridge. Ooh, it's nice and cold in there. And some paper towels, ice bucket for the ice machine, some coffee creamers. Over here we have the closet. In here, extra pillows and blankets, and ironing board, hangers, fire extinguisher, a vacuum, and an in-wall safe right here. It is a key safe, so don't lose that key. And Mickey. Yep, I got a blow dryer down here, some extra toilet paper, toilet, big shower head there with tub, and of course our favorite soaps, Disney soaps. We get so excited about that, and you can see right here again, it's been cleaned. Some towels back there, and of course some more Disney soaps and lotions. But that's about it for this room. We really love staying here at Old Key West. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give that a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and you're going to want to see me do more room tours as we come back to Disney World more often now. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.